Hello friends, I am Balaji and I welcome you all to my channel. In this session, I am going to show you how to enable autosave option on your Visual Studio Code. For that, go to this settings option. There, choose this settings. It will open user settings JSON object. You want to edit this JSON object. Okay. You want to add a new property to this JSON object. Add comma, press enter. Within double quotes, add a property name. Here the property name is files.autosave. Here it is. By default, it is in a off state. So in order to enable this feature, you can choose any one of these three options: after delay, or on focus change, or on window change. First, I will choose this after delay option. So I choose this after delay. I save my settings and then I open any one of my file, and then for example here I will add new line, console.log hello. See, I haven't pressed any save option, but by default all these things are saved. Suppose if it is not saved, means you will find one small dot on your top right corner of your tab, current open tab. So for example, in order to demonstrate this, I will reset this option to off, and then I modify this file. See, now we can able to see this small dot, means your file is not saved. Now I enable this feature again by going to my user settings JSON array, and then settings is this option to after delay. So this option will enable autosave option on your Visual Studio Code. It will save your file within particular milliseconds. You can also specify that seconds, how many milliseconds it want to take backup. So you can set that option. Name of that option is files.autosave delay. So here you want to specify value in milliseconds. So for example, I will set this option to 5 seconds, means 5000 milliseconds, and then I save this option, and then I edit this file. Okay, now see, after 5 seconds it will get saved. See, after 5 seconds it gets saved. That dot symbol gets removed. Again I will demonstrate you. I remove the semicolon. See, this dot is now enabled. After 5 seconds my file gets saved. Okay, now we are going to see another two options: on focus change and on windows change. So I will remove this on save delay, and then here now I want to set this autosave option to on focus change. I said that. Now I open my file and then I perform some modification. So Visual Studio Code will automatically save this file when focus of this current tab gets changed. For example, I navigate to another one file. For example, I will go to this package.json. So now see, this file gets saved. That dot is not there, means when I change focus of my current tab, Visual Studio Code is saving that file. This is the meaning of this on focus change. You can also set on window change option. On window change. You may guess meaning for this on windows change. Now I will modify this file. So and see, I modified this file. My file is not saved right now, so I changed my tab. Now also this file is not saved. See, the dot is still there, means my file is not changed. Suppose if focus of my window gets changed to another window, means this file will get saved. Suppose I open another one window, for example I open my browser. Okay, now I minimize this file and then see, my file gets saved, means when focus of our current window gets changed, not the current tab, current window gets changed, it will automatically save my file. So that's all for this session. Thank you and goodbye.